All these are the common reactions by the kids when they are asked to revise something, as they find revision monotonous, tedious, and boring. In our endeavor to make the revision part interesting and exciting for the kids, here we are with a series of revision TLMs. I hope you all will enjoy it.
Hello everyone, let us start. For this TLM, we need some sketch colors, waste playing cards, some colored papers, an always sheet, scissors. Now, on the playing card, you are to cut the paper of that size and you are to paste it like this. Okay, and you can also make the borders on the side. You can also decorate card with the bordering on all the side, or you can also make beautiful pattern on the card. Next, you are to take the Norway sheet, fold it like this in 3 equal parts. Then you will fold it like this and you will get 6 slips of equal size. This size of slip you will get. Then you can decorate the slip with the color tape. You can give border and then you will write adjectives, pronouns, nouns, verbs, helping verbs and articles. Fine? Now we have plain cards like this, and on this plain card we'll write few nouns, few pronouns, few adjectives, few verbs and few helping verbs, and I have done this for you. Now see, there are so many colorful playing cards having nouns, pronouns, adjective, verbs, helping verbs and articles written on them. Now we will put all the cards in a beautiful bag, and then shake, 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 shake. Now let us see. Heavy. Heavy is an adjective. Yes. Coloring. Coloring is a verb. Okay. Her. Her is a pronoun. Next. Parrot. Parrot is a noun. Right. Right is a verb. So in this way we will send all the baby cards to mama cards. Wow, मजा आया ना? अब सबको पता लग गया कि उनकी ममा कौन सी है. Yes. Now, with the help of these baby cards, we will make sentences. Let's start. He is running. He is running. One more sentence. She has a black towel. She has a black towel. Now one more. The bucket was heavy. The bucket was heavy. So with the help of these baby cards, you can make more sentences. All the mamas have gone to office and we will play with these baby cards. Shampoo, shampoo. I use shampoo to wash my hair. Funny, funny. The story is very funny. Running. The boy was running fast. Her. She has a beautiful doll in her hands. In this way, you can pick any card and make any sentence. Now, for this game, you are to paste an orange gum stick at the back of the playing card like I have done. And you can play this game with your partner. Here is my partner and
Hello.
we have divided the equal cards. I have 10 cards, my partner has 10 cards. Now, let us start.
Sleeping. My sister is sleeping.
Playing. I am playing in a big ground.
Big. I play with a big ball.
Fox. A fox is a wild animal. Like this, you can play this game with your partner and make many sentences. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
This single activity helps in the development of language, making the child environment friendly and boosting his artistic abilities. Thank you.